given figure 2 units in forward direction or in x-axis, and whatever be written in downwards, that means it's in y-axis. Okay. Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's given as positive, it's 2 and 3, that means you have to move that object 2 units in forward direction, that means here, and 3 units in upward direction. Whereas if I write negative here, so negative implies that I have to move it in downward direction. Okay?
Yeah.
So that is the basic transformation. Now I'm giving a simple question on transformation. You have to give me the coordinates. So it's given
Yeah.
as there is a shape, and I'm giving you the coordinates of the shape. So it's a triangle, and its coordinates are 4, comma, oh sorry, minus 2 comma 4, minus 3 comma 2, and 0 comma 2. These are the coordinates of a triangle, and you have to translate this shape to plus 4 minus 1. So you have to tell me the new coordinates. Just name this. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Tell me the new coordinates.
So I have to choose between A, B, C.
These are the three coordinates or three endpoints of a triangle. So what you have to do, you just have to draw a triangle first, okay, by joining these three coordinates on a graph, and then translate this. So what you have to do, one by one translate. Say for example, wait a minute. Suppose this is graph, and suppose I have given the three coordinates. The first coordinate is say 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 should be somewhere here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 5. There are three coordinates. First coordinate is 1 comma 1. So second is 2 comma 5. So 2 comma 5. That's somewhere here. And third is 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is here. I have located all the three coordinates, and then I just have to join them together because it's actually a triangle. Okay. Now it's given as you have to translate this triangle by minus 2 and minus 3. That you have to translate. That means one by one translate every coordinate. I'm starting with the first coordinate. This is the first coordinate, that is 1 comma 1. If I translate 1 comma 1, that means I have to write 1, 1, and I have to translate this to minus 2, minus 3. That means 2 units in left hand side. So 2 units in left hand side gives me negative 1, and 3 units downwards. So from here 3 units downward, which is 1, 2, 3. Let I name it -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so I have to translate it 3 units downwards, so it gives me -2. So this is my new point. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
take this point, or you can, what, very simple, what you can do, it's 2 comma 5, so just write 2 comma 5 and write how much you have to translate, so it's -2 -3. 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 3 2. That's your new coordinate, that is 0 comma 2. That's here. Okay, so in both ways you can move. You can do like move 2 units leftwards, so you will come to here 0, 3 units downwards. Okay, like this,
Mm-hmm.
or directly add them because it's a vector, so you can directly add them also. In both ways you can do that, whichever you feel comfortable in. So this is your next point, and if I take this point, which is 1 comma 4, so it's move 2 units backward, 1 2, and 3 units downward, 1 2 3. Okay, and simple. Now you have all the 3 points, join them together. This is your new triangle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you have to do the same with this one, which means first locate these 3 points on a graph, draw a triangle, and then one by one translate them, and at the very end join all these 3 points, you'll get a triangle. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do this and give me the coordinates.
I first have to draw the graph, right?
Yes.
Oh, how do I?
Okay, wait a minute. It's better if I upload a graph paper here.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm directly, just wait a minute. It will take 2 to 3 minutes on uploading this program.
I do the question.
Yes, you have to do this question.
So question 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So you know when it says do you choose any point you want?
Like choose any point. Sorry, I didn't get
As
you.
in, like, can you choose this one, this one, this one?
You have to choose every endpoint. Every endpoint you have to locate. So how many
Okay.
endpoints you can see? It's 5 endpoints, right? So you have to translate every 5 endpoints so that you will get a pentagon there. Okay. Hello.
Okay. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
Yeah. So it's shaped
So I
by
draw
2
that.
units to the right and 3 units up. Yeah. So don't draw the line as of now. Just locate point by point. Say for example, if you start with this point, then translate this point, and wherever you're translating it, just first it's better if you name this, like this is A, B, C, D, E, and there you write A dash, B dash, C dash. If you translate this is A, and if you translate it somewhere wherever you're translating it, name it A dash. Is it clear?
Okay. Ooh. Very accurate, but yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Now solve. Wait a minute, don't solve this one. Solve this one.
Hello?
Yes. Yes, I'm seeing it.
Is that right?
Yes, that's good. Okay, now solve this one. You have to describe the single transformation. That means you have to tell us how much every point is being translated. It's translation vector. Is this clear?
Mm-hmm. How do you work this out?
See, it's given as describe fully a single transformation that will map shape P onto what shape Q. That means it's actually the real image. Okay, just by looking at the question, you tell me which is the real image, which is the real object and which is the image. You tell me. It's given as describe fully the single transformation that will map shape P onto shape Q. So which is the image? Which is the final transformation? Which is the actual image? Tell me. We have to start with P or Q. Which is the actual shape and which is the translated shape? You just distinguish this. Tell me.
This is the real image, right?
Okay, so you say this is real and P is translated. No, P is real because it's given as describe the single transformation that will map shape P onto shape Q. Okay, that will map P onto shape Q. That means the P is the actual. Okay, and now we have to see. Suppose if I take this point, its corresponding point is this. Is this clear? Is this point clear?
Yeah.
So how can I reach there? That means I have to move 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So it's 3. And then I have to move 1 unit downwards. That means minus 1.
Oh.
So that is the 3 minus 1 vector. And you can take any point. Say if you take this point, its corresponding point is definitely this point. So if you want to go there, you have to travel 3 units plus 3 units and 1 unit downward. So 3 minus 1 is the vector. Is this clear? Okay. Now solve the next one.
Wait.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, to describe its transformation. Question number 7.
Can I have the pen, please?
Yes,
Um, so it's 3 minus 1.
yeah, that's correct.
do 8.
I think it's almost same because you just have to move this trapezium, right? So what you can do, you can just take the screenshot of this and that one is for homework, okay? Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so take it's a
Hello?
screenshot. Yes, so I was saying take the screenshot. This one is for homework. Question 8 is for homework.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay,
have
one
you.
second.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
okay, now we do the next one. So the next transformation is, let me take enlargement.
Oh, I struggle with enlargements a lot at school. I don't understand it.
Okay, so we'll do enlargement.
Yeah. I think that's the hardest one out of it.
Yeah, which like yeah, enlargement and rotation, they both are almost like same.
Yeah, I think rotations is my favorite, but enlargement is very hard for me.
Okay, so let me do that enlargement. So it's hello, 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 hello.
Oh yeah. Hello? Hello? I can't. Yeah, I can see.
Okay, okay.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
I can hear you.
okay, okay. So enlargement, for enlargement, say we take a simple triangle.
Yeah.
So coordinates of the triangle is given as 2 comma 1, 4 comma 2, and 2 comma 4, 34 comma. Okay. Now the very first thing is we have to plot. Just wait a minute. I don't know what's happening.